told you the another word for edge, that is border.
Yes, ma'am, border. And we have to, last we have to count the perimeter.
So I have explained this that edge means border. So this is border of the table, this much. And when we will add all the side, we will find perimeter. So here it is given, you can see 3 meter, 1 meter, 3 meter, 1 meter.
हेलो जैनब मैम।
Yes.
हाँ, मैं अब्दुल हद की मम्मी बोल रही हूँ।
हाँ
यहाँ पढ़ाई चल रही है और व्हाट्सएप में चैट कर रहा है, किसके साथ? ग्रुप में देखो। मैम सुन रहे हो ना आप?
हाँ, सुन रही हूँ बट अभी रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट है, उसके साथ बाद में बात करूंगी।
हाँ, चलो सब बॉयज कर रहे हैं।
और उसमें पेपर भी वो भूल गया ना, तो बहुत ज्यादा इरिस्पॉन्सिबल है, केयरलेस। हाँ, लास्ट ईयर तो ऐसा नहीं था। Now pay attention and don't chat in WhatsApp.
डोंट चैट।
Ahad, are you listening? Ahad? Yes, just still he's there or not.
Ma'am, he's there.
Ahad? Now pay
But ma'am,
attention.
he's not unmuting his mic.
And anyone can ask the doubt if they have. Still I'm revising. But to be doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm Hassan.
You were
Ma'am,
absent on that day when I've explained this.
that we got this 1 meter, 1 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter.
Huh.
That only is perimeter or we all plus?
Perimeter means we have to add. See, I'm showing.
Oh, add.
Here,
Add, add no, that 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8.
huh.
That's like,
This one you have to all remember. Downside, what is given? No, that. Hassan, read this loudly.
yes, ma'am. Perimeter of the table, adding the measurement of all the sides
And how you will read this one, this symbol?
is equals to
So perimeter of table is equals to adding
adding the measurement of all the sides.
all the sides. So in rectangle, these both are same and these opposite are same. Means up, down and left, right are same. That we have to add. So here it is given that we have added 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1. So 8 meter.
Okay.
Okay. So we found perimeter.
First, we
Perimeter of any object. Even last time I have explained you this also. This one. That if not rectangle but a pentagon, hexagon, any shape is given. And you have to find perimeter of that. So what you will do? Perimeter equals to adding
ma'am, in one picture there is meter and 1 meter is centimeter.
perimeter. In that table there was meter. Here it is centimeter because this is small and that table was big. But here all are centimeter. You can see. But that you don't have to see. You just have to tell me that perimeter means. In that what was written? I told you to read loudly.
Adding
Adding
Ma'am, perimeter is 120.
all the meters or centimeter. Adding all the numbers
120 is the perimeter.
adding all the sides.
sides.
Here also you have to add all the sides.
Ma'am, 120 is the perimeter.
Yes. So here also you can see. Hassan, can you see they have added this
Yes.
30, then 20, then 25, then again 25, and then 20. That way they have added and found the
Ma'am,
penny.
ma'am, in
Yes.
exam, you only give the sides and we have only plus or we
Ha,
put the
just,
side and we plus also.
you just have to add that.
Okay.
Then you can see this shape. Some swimming pool are rectangular, some are oval shape, some are circular. So this shape is not even oval or not a circle. You can see this shape of swimming pool. Huh? Here it is written swimming pool.
Yes.
So now they will show us that swimming pool shape also, means sides. The same swimming pool. Huh? And they are telling us the measurement of each side. So to find perimeter, what will be the perimeter of this?
Hmm.
Who will tell me perimeter of this?
1 minute. I have the class book. Ma'am, is that current?
What?
Ma'am, 36.
Perimeter means addition of all the sides.
Yes, I add
Here
all the sides.
downside it is written.
Yes, I all add all the sides.
Now who will read this? Sheikh Rehan or who are present? I don't remember. Those who are present, who will read?
Ma'am,
From
can I say Rehan?
yes, Rehan, read. And this you read like is equals to, huh? Perimeter is equal to that way.
Perimeter is equal as the measurement of all sides.
So perimeter equals to add the measurement of all side. Means we have to add. So Rehan, what we will add? Here it is written that we have to add all side. तो इसमें से जो भी है जितनी भी साइड उसको ऐड करना है. So how we will add in this?
Ma'am, can I say also?
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I do this or Dolia?
yes, Ahad.
6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 7,
This one also 11.
25. 25. 25 plus 11, 36.
So let's see the answer. So Rehan, you understood no? That we have to add
Yes,
all the.
ma'am.
So this way we have to add.
Ma'am?
Ma'am, my answer is right, Hassan.
Okay. Very good, Hassan. So we have to add all these sides. Now we will learn how to find perimeter of rectangle using formula because there is one formula also.
Ma'am, that a perimeter of a rectangle.
Show you that video, this one, because I don't
No.
remember.
No.
Okay. So here also the same thing is given.
Ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, that we find perimeter of rectangle with formula.
We will find, but I forgot to show you this video also because I
Means that
I always confused that in girls I showed or in your class.
no ma'am means that a formula perimeter of rectangle is till 10 standard that formula is there only or change.
Yeah. Till 10th standard, the same formula you have to use.
This only that we now
I
we
will teach you now. I will teach you formula. So now let you see this that this is a rectangle and you can see that here first upside and right side 4 and 3 was written, but the same number they are writing down also, which was up, no, the same. And here what was the left, no, the same they are writing right. Why? Who will tell me why the same number they are writing down in the
no,
rectangle?
can say Hassan can say.
Yes.
Because ma'am,
मैम
this is
बताइए अच्छे
square.
से.
Because ma'am, this is square.
नहीं, this is rectangle. Square means all the side 4, 4, 4, 4, 4.
This is
Square,
rectangle. So one side means upside centimeter is same. So downside is also same because there is not means.
हाँ, in rectangle upside and downside are same, and right and left are same, and in square all 4 are same.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
बी क्लियर इन योर माइंड कि रेक्टेंगल किसको बोलते हैं, स्क्वायर किसको बोलते हैं. स्क्वायर मीन्स चारों के चारों साइड सेम होती है. In square all the 4 sides are same, and in rectangle so opposite means up down are same and right and left are same. So is this clear about square and rectangle?
Yes, ma'am.
So now they will
Yes,
show that.
ma'am.
Okay, so they have taken that two sides, you can see this right and left side. So this is that right and left side, and which is 3 centimeter. These both are left and right, that side, which is 3. This 3 and 3. Now they will take out this up and down, which is how much? 4, 4. So rectangle में opposite same होता है, ऊपर नीचे and right left. That you don't have to forget, क्योंकि उसका use करके ही formula आएगा. So when we will find the perimeter, so we will add no all 4, 3, 4, 3 we will add. So they will show us that only 3, 3, 4, 4. So perimeter means, now they are asking perimeter. So tell me, this P means perimeter. Huh?
14.
Oh, okay.
You can give the answer directly.
14.
14. Okay. And other students?
Ma'am, we plus no.
Ha.
3 plus 3, 6, 6, 8.
15.
And
Ma'am, 1 minute. Yes, ma'am. Answer is 14.
No, ma'am. 14. 14.
Ma'am, 14. 14.
okay.
सबसे पहले
14.
मैंने बोला मुझे अवार्ड मिलना चाहिए, मुझे गोल्ड मेडल दो.
नहीं, मुझे तुझे है ना बादाम देनी है, बादाम, ताकि है ना नेक्स्ट टाइम तो एग्जाम भूल ना जाए.
अरे यार.
पहले बादाम दूंगी, फिर वो तुम जो मांगा हो, ठीक है.
आप हमने फिर से लिंक खोलने की कोशिश करता था तो खुलती જ नहीं थी.
ओहो, तो फोन लगा सकता था मुझे.
तो मैंने लगाया था.
तू भूल ही गया है, तेरी याददाश्त कमजोर हो गई है, वो एक्सेप्ट कर ले.
हाँ, मेरी याददाश्त कमजोर हो गई है.
हाँ, तो इसलिए तो बोल रही हूँ मैं, बादाम बादाम और मेडिसिन लेके आऊंगी, बादाम खिलाएंगे तुझे. So same answer we are finding using formula now. Same.
ये निशाद मैम ने क्या भेजा है?
बोला तो ये
कुछ नहीं.
So you can see the formula with using formula now we will learn. So I'm showing you textual explanation also, that you can see in the textbook how it is given. This is your textbook and I don't know page number. So those who have a textbook, please say the page number. Who has textbook?
What, ma'am?
So say the page number to me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
your perimeter of a rectangle is 2 multiply length plus breadth.
This is formula, but I will explain how this formula has come. कि वो formula कहाँ से आया वो मैं अभी explain करूँगी.
Ma'am, length plus breadth means that
How?
3 and 4.
हाँ.
Bueno,
And
bonjour.
Example 3 and 4 and this example 50 and 35.
so
And
this we plus. Then we multiplied by 2.
हाँ,
It's all both answer.
are same 171.
85 answer is there. Is both.
Wait, let someone tell me the page number.
Ma'am, page number 176.
Okay, thank you. So now I'm explaining that who will read this or shall I only read?
Urban Gori.
Arman will read because his turn has not come.
Yes, ma'am. Perimeters of a rectangle. Carpenters are installing kitchen cabins in a newly bullet house.
This is built, built house.
Built house. Each cabin's door is rectangle in shape, 50 centimeter long and 35 centimeter broad.
तो पहले भी मैंने बोला था कि टेलर also use measurement and everything. Then carpenter also, they also measure not to cut the wood and to make furniture. So here they are not making a table or benches or any other furniture, but what they are doing, kitchen cabinet means जो सामान रखते हैं ना, you can see this is door of that, and that who make that all the furniture and everything.
Carpenter.
हाँ
Carpenter.
हाँ. So that carpenter only installing that kitchen cabinet in newly built house. तो नए घर में वो सब काम चल रहा है. So now they are showing cabinet door. Here it is written cabinet door, and this is that door. And what is the shape of that door? Here it is written shape of that.
Rectangle.
हाँ.
Rectangular.
So that is shape of that door. Even when you will see now our door also house made, that is also rectangular. Then windows also. There are so many things in our house that which are rectangular. So even you can do practical also. You can measure that also. So here it is written the 50 centimeter long means lambai. इतना लंबा है. And 35 centimeter broad. Whose mic was that? 35 centimeter broad means breadth. Like in Gujarati, we word use two words we use, lambai and pakthai podai. That words we use, if you know. Like जब यूनिफॉर्म या
Yes,
कुछ
ma'am.
सिलवाने का होता है ना, तो वो दो वर्ड यूज करते हैं.
Yes.
तो वो लंबाई ये और पक्थाई पौड़ी जो भी हो वो that breadth. So that two words are there. So is these both words clear? What is length? What is breadth?
Yes, ma'am.
Length and width, yes.
तो रेक्टेंगुलर जो भी शेप हो हमारे घर में, डोर, विंडो, anything that has two things, length and breadth.
Yes.
So now this is a normal perimeter, how we are finding addition of all. This is without formula, this one. This one is without formula, that we have to add all the sides.
Yes.
So now they will show us the shortcut. So who wants to read this next paragraph?
Arman Gori.
Your turn has come, Arman.
Ma'am, son.
Ma'am, can I be the yes?
Yes, you can read.
Yes, ma'am. Since we are reading two lengths and two breadths of equal size, we can also find the perimeter by using a shortcut.
So here it is written that we are adding two length, means this 50 and 50. This 50 means left side and this 50 right side. That both are length. तो हम दो बार length को add कर रहे हैं and two breadth means down side 35 and up side 35. सो दो ब्रेथ एंड दो लेंथ उसको हम ऐड कर रहे हैं, तो इसीलिए हम शॉर्टकट यूज कर सकते हैं. So they will show us a shortcut means formula. So now I am also explaining the formula. This is the formula. So first you have to learn this and then I'm explaining. So first learn this one, then I'm explaining.
Oh, I understood. Hassan.
Ma'am, done with the yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Hassan also. Very good. Ma'am, Hassan also done.
Okay. Because you can see next question one in your textbook. Those who have textbook, they already know that exercise 12A. Question 1, find perimeter of this object using what is written?
Shortcut.
Shortcut. Means you have to
Shortcut.
use that formula. So that's why to solve first question you have to learn that formula.
Hello, I have doubt.
बोलो.
Ma'am, can I with the yes by shortcut formula? Solve.
पहले मैं समझा देती फिर तू फर्स्ट वाला सॉल्व करना ए. ओके. एंड हु हैड डाउट?
ओके. हाँ मिस, पर ये 122 सेंटीमीटर वो ऐड कैसे करने का है?
वो फॉर्मूला से यहाँ पे शॉर्टकट तो लिखा है, अभी ऐड बाद में करेंगे, पहले शॉर्टकट सीखना है.
ओ, करवाओ करवाओ.
Ma'am,
यस.
that shortcut is that 50 is there. It's length.
शॉर्टकट इज दिस फॉर्मूला.
Yes, 50 is length. So, so in this perimeter of rectangle, 2 multiplied by length plus breadth means we multiplied 50 by 2.
पहले मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं करना है, पहले ये दोनों का एडिशन करना है. So that I am explain, but you learn the formula. I am waiting for the student. तुम दोनों ने बोल दिया कि लर्न कर दिया, बाकी सारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए तो वेट करना पड़ता है ना. So I am waiting for them. Learn this fast.
हम क्या लर्न करने का है?
This formula. Because without this you are not
got it done.
solve first question. एक्सरसाइज में इसका यूज है. That's why I am forcing you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is breadth or breadth?
Explain. Breadth I have said no कि हम दो वर्ड यूज करते हैं. In Gujarati we use no लंबाई and पगथाई पહોળાઈ, that word.
Oh, ma'am, number.
अच्छा, number that you have seen no in this 50 length and 50 width.
Okay.
So maybe hope you have learned this formula. So now I am explaining. This is the formula which you have to use.
Yes.
Multiply by length plus breadth. तो ये फॉर्मूला लिखने के बाद लेंथ की जगह 50, मतलब जो फिगर में हो, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन जो है डोर वाला उसमें 50 लेंथ है एंड ब्रेथ इज 35. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर पुटिंग 50 here.
Yes.
And instead of breadth we are putting 35 because in this figure it is given in
Yes.
the question. तो क्वेश्चन में जितनी लेंथ हो जितनी ब्रेथ हो उस हिसाब से उसकी जो भी मेजरमेंट वो रखना है. And after putting 50 and 35 you have to add these two. You don't have to multiply first, you have to add. So 50 plus 35, what will be the total? 50 plus
85.
हाँ 85. तो 85 यहाँ पे रखना है. And then what will be the next step?
Multiplied by 2.
Yes. 85 by 2. Then you will get 170, which was even the same answer.
170.
So
Ma'am, this is shortcut method. I said that
this formula is short.
100 and 35 multiplied by 2 is 70. This is shortcut or this is shortcut?
This one is shortcut. This formula. That's why here it is written. See.
Ma'am, that formula I used, but in that tile no that 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So I 2 multiplied by 50 and 2 multiplied by 35.
That also you can do. That 2 multiplied by 50, so 100, and 2 multiplied by 35, so 70. Then 170 plus करोगे तो भी 170 आएगा. But that formula only originally you have to use, and that also what was given no here. That first we have to add 50 and 35. First we have to add only. See,
Ma'am, both method is same no?
same, but we have to use this. First we have to add 50 and 35. Then we have to multiply.
Ma'am, in exam.
In exam also, what in the textbook it is given that only.
Okay.
Now, yes, you can solve first one. I'm
Ma'am,
writing.
second myself.
I'm writing the formula. You can tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am, 30 plus 90 is equal to 120.
wait,
Then 120 multiplied by 2. So 240 is the answer.
So first you have to write a formula. You can use alphabets only, not the whole word. Okay, this P means perimeter, this L means length, and this B means breadth. So you can write in short also. Now again repeat, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 30 plus 90 is equal to 120. Then
Even
we will double it.
and we have to
We
take
will
that which number we will write here first instead of length. And length is always longer than breadth, because that
yes,
is
ma'am.
so instead of L,
Length is 90
huh.
and 30 is breadth.
So this one is length, this one is breadth.
Then we have to add both. So 90 plus 30 is equal to 120. Then we have to double it. We have to double 120. So the answer is 240.
And here it is given in centimeter, so we will use centimeter. Whenever meter is given, so meter. Whenever centimeter is given, centimeter. So who has doubt in first question? Oh,
Ma'am.
shit, repeat.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, that upside, that 30 centimeter. Whenever second means another, there is window. There is 70 centimeter and 90 centimeter. So 70 centimeter is breadth. Upside is
Not
breadth and
upside
left
downside. We have to
is
see that whichever is bigger number, no, that is length.
okay.
I'm repeating only because I see so you will not ask that out.
Ma'am, I asked.
हाँ बट अदर स्टूडेंट पता नहीं वो लोग बोलने के पैसे लेते हैं ऐसा लगता है. तो पेरीमीटर का फॉर्मूला लिखना है. पेरीमीटर इक्वल्स टू 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय लेंथ प्लस ब्रेथ. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला दैट यू टू राइट. फॉर्मूला लिखने के बाद क्वेश्चन में जो लेंथ हो, लेंथ इज 90, सो दैट यू टू राइट. देन क्वेश्चन में 90 है तो 90 30 जो है वो ब्रेथ है तो 30 बी की जगह लिखना है. देन नेक्स्ट स्टेप, हु विल से नेक्स्ट स्टेप?
Ma'am, sir,
हाँ,
plus 90 plus 30.
you to add and then
Hello.
हाँ.
And then we
मैं
double.
आपकी स्क्रीन क्यों चल गई?
अदर स्टूडेंट्स
किसी की स्क्रीन आ रही है मुझ पर ये अभी मेहता की.
Screen is visible.
I don't know, other students can see my screen.
Ma'am, your screen is
आपकी मेरे पे क्यों नहीं आ रही?
पता नहीं इतनी सारी गेम्स भरी होगी फोन में, इसके लिए हैंग हो रहा होगा. आई थिंक सो.
Ma'am, your screen is visible.
करता हूँ, देखता हूँ. मैं अभी आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं दिखा रहे हैं, सिर्फ वो मेहंदी स्कूल वाला ही दिखा रहे हैं फोटो.
Other students, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Your screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. I'm seeing.
Yes, ma'am. Your screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Your screen is very visible.
Do that rejoin it. Rejoin.
रुको मैं लेफ्ट फोटो फिर से join करता हूँ.
Okay.
So next step that you have to multiply these two. Now any other doubts in that question A? And who wants to try B question? They can try in the rough book.
Ma'am, also.
I'm second.
First you can solve in the Then you can tell me that if you have finished.
Ma'am, I solved Hasan.
Ma'am, I saw your rough book. Ma'am, I am sorry, rough book.
हाँ, solve.
Also.
And
अब
after
दिख
Ma'am, I
रही है
solved.
अब दिख रही है
okay. और जो लोग solve कर रहे हैं रफ बुक में क्वेश्चन बी, after finishing just tell me that they have finished.
Yes, ma'am, Hasan, finish. Rough
Yes,
book.
ma'am, Sheikh Rehan, finish.
Very good.
Ma'am, second
Then I
item.
can solve number B, Sheikh Rehan.
But let me see that who are trying. That's why.
I'm done, Arman.
Very good.
4 students.
अब वो शॉर्टकट क्या है
This formula.
हेलो
हाँ, this formula
Yeah.
is shortcut. ये
2
formula.
क्रॉस एल प्लस बी
हाँ,
2 क्रॉस 90 प्लस 30
90 यहाँ से लिए
एल प्लस बी मतलब क्या है भाई मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा
L means length and B means breadth. अभी समझा है थोड़ी देर पहले.
एल मीन्स लेंथ एंड बी मीन्स
Breadth.
breadth okay
Ma'am, first, I had learned that perimeter of rectangle.
I don't know.
Yes.
So now
Heard
we
you.
have the second question.
Ma'am, second, can I solve Hasan?
First you have to tell me that in B question which is length and which is breadth. That I can write.
Length. Ma'am, length is 153 centimeter. And breadth is 122 centimeters.
Okay.
Because 153 is a bigger number and 122 is a small number.
So now in this formula, wherever L is written, there we will put 153, and where B is written, there we will put 122.
Mhm.
So this is question B, and the same formula we have to use.
Yes.
हाँ,
Perimeter
now
of
L की जगह क्या रखेंगे?
153 plus in breadth place we put a 122.
Yes, very good.
Then we plus. Ma'am, I directly say answer.
हाँ, you can directly say.
275.
Then multiply.
Now we multiply, means we double it. Ma'am, here I spoke answer.
Yes.
Direct. Ma'am, answer is 550.
500?
50.
50.
Yes.
And here centimeter is written, so centimeter also.
Yes.
So whose answer is right? Those who have done.
Yes, ma'am. Hasan answer is right.
Yes, ma'am. Is right. Ma'am, Bidaya's answer is right.
Okay, fourth student. Very good. Ayaz also, Arman, Sheikh Rehan, and Hassan. Very good. Now, who first you try question C, and then those who want to try question C, they can tell me. Those who want to solve question C, they can tell me. So first you try.
Ma'am, we go to next exercise now.
What?
Next exercise. Next.
ओहो, क्यों नहीं सॉल्व करना है यहाँ पे अभी?
Ma'am, all the same.
हाँ, so you can do in homework. But if you are ready to do in homework, then I will change.
Okay, ma'am, we solve F.
You are saying about you. Let me ask to others. Arman, Rehan, Ayaz. C, D, E, F you want to solve right now or in homework?
Ma'am,
In homework.
In homework.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, in F, the method is same only, no?
Ha.
But here is the length is also same and breadth is also same.
F no? In this one.
Yes, F.
Use this formula. See.
Hmm?
For F you have to use this one. I'm
Which?
teaching this. This is another perimeter of square.
For F.
Ha. Whose mic is this?
Rehan Sheikh.
বলো বলো না শুনো বলছে বলা হয়ে গেছে তাও তুমি বলা হয়ে গেছে
Rehan, in which language you are talking? This is not even Hindi, Gujarati, or English. Rehan? Hassan, is my screen is visible means this video.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now here they are giving another object, and you can see all the measurement are same, upside, downside, left, right. So I told you now in square all up, down, left, right are same, and in rectangle up, down same, and left, right are same. That is difference
Yes.
between rectangle and square. So which
Yes.
shape is this?
This is square.
Huh.
Square.
Ma'am, but perimeter of square.
Huh. This is perimeter of square that we will use using formula. So both you can see they have given rectangle also and square also, and you can see the difference. That
Yes,
down are same, and then left and right are same.
same.
And
In
here
square,
also
both
are
side
same.
are same, and rectangle upside is same, and right left is same.
Huh. Up down and
Up,
left right
down,
in
right.
rectangle, and in square all four up down left right are same. So please keep this thing in your mind because it will be very helpful. कि रेक्टेंगल में ऊपर नीचे की साइड सेम होती है, लेफ्ट साइड की सेम होती है, और स्क्वायर में चारों के चार सेम होती है.
Okay. Ma'am, but see the perimeter of square, so I write
What?
perimeter of square. What is perimeter of square?
I am explaining. So here they have given a measurement of one side. So who will tell me measurement of other sides?
Ma'am, Hassan,
Yes.
5 only because this is square.
Yes. So other side also 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Because this is square. So this one 5, this one 5, this one 5, and this one 5. So now they are asking about perimeter. So they will explain that only. Perimeter of square using formula. In your textbook also the same way it is given, but then also I'm showing video. So this is multiplication, huh? Means 4 multiplied by whichever side is given. That. And if you want to find without a shortcut, then addition of all side. So both is given. So if we use this, then what will be the answer? Like
This
the side
1,
by
2,
side.
3, 4. Ma'am, Hassan can tell.
Ma'am, 20 will be the answer.
Huh.
Yes,
And how we will write side plus side plus side plus side?
means 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus
20 is equal to 20.
time 5.
Huh. And if we want to solve using this 4 multiplied by side, then how we will write?
4 5
Huh.
4 multiplied by sides or 4 5.
So you can see using shortcut also same answer, and using that original also concept that perimeter equals to addition of all the side.
Ma'am, here we write perimeter of square 4 multiplied by side.
Yes. In this video, all the everything is given.
Or
About
we write full.
rectangle also it is given, but I think so time is left, so afterward we will see the whole video.
Yes, ma'am.
So just remember this formula.
Which
4 multiplied
4
by length.
multiplied by 4 multiplied by length of side.
And
4
this is
length of side. 4 multiplied by length of
this is not shortcut, side plus side plus side,
Is
and
not.
shortcut.
Mm.
Here
4
again we are
multiplied by
using
length.
shortcut. Okay?
Ma'am, here is tell that 4 multiplied by
Yes.
length of side.
हाँ तो side की length होती है वो, and in that video they have written in shortcut that only side. Both are same only.
Okay.
But what is given in the textbook that we should follow, so that we will follow.
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, 1 minute रखना.
So this is another question in that 95 is written. So they have put 95 and they found perimeter. So you can try other question also in the textbook. Shall I change, Hassan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see in this question too also perimeter of square. And side of square is given 3. So formula is 4 multiplied by side or length of side. You can write anything. Huh? So 4
4.
multiplied by here 3. So 12. Then in
12.
next question
5.
5 is
4
given.
5
So
ja.
4 multiplied by 5. Huh.
Side is 5 means 4 5 ja.
And in next question 11 is given. So there you have to put 11.
44.
Okay? Huh.
Yes,
So you can try both the question in rough book.
ma'am. You send the PDF.
हाँ
Yes,
हाँ I
ma'am.
will send. And then if you have doubt, then ask me. Okay? Today I have
Yeah,
tried
ma'am.
both the languages. I have used both the languages to explain because only English
Yes,
is
ma'am.
not okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And best of luck for today's English paper.